I typically don't tell people what I do because it's kind of ridiculous, but it actually works. I truly make more money than I could ever imagine doing two slightly embarrassing side hustles, which I would say is more passive and another's active. The more active one I do is I claim class action lawsuit settlements. I'll show you how this works. Literally just go to claimmoney.com and then apply to the ones that you're actually eligible for. I literally qualify for about 90% of them. These are like super generic companies that are being sued, by the way. Yeah, but you just pick one that you're gonna apply for, then join it and file it. It takes like 90 seconds most of the time. Second thing I do is a little bit more passive. I make stupid little t-shirt designs on a site called Printify. If you don't know what Printify is, it's a print-on-demand service where they'll actually take your design and then make the product, house the product, ship the product, handle all the returns. You literally just upload your design. And I say passive because I just upload a design once in a while and then just kind of makes money while asleep. Not a bad gig. But when people ask me how I afford to join stuff like a yacht club, this is why. Again, it's a little embarrassing, but it genuinely works.